Good morning friends. Today I am going to show you how to make kashai. This is like a home medicine. Here it is. Look, ginger 100 gram, about 20 to 30 whole pepper and 1 spoon cumin seed and half a spoon ajwain and 2 to 3 grated 2 to 3 spoon grated jaggery, or you can add brown sugar if you don't have jaggery, and salt to taste, little bit, pinch of salt, and your onion, 2 whole onion. The onion you have to cut it and put immediately in the pot, and 1 liter of boiled water or water, whatever, and boil until properly boiled. Then at the end you can put turmeric, 2 spoon of turmeric, and this is so nice, so natural drinks. It's called kashai, and if you lose your voice, like a it will be come back. Just like this, and add water. I add boiled water from kettle, so it's boiling now, around 20 minutes, slow gas or medium. I remember that when I was in school, I was drinking before I go to singing competition. My sister or mother was giving me like this kashai. It was so helpful, so nice and tasty as well. You can consume, you can drink like a half a cup for 3 times a day, or if it is mild, we can drink like 1 cup. So try, my friends. So nice. Look at the color, beautiful, so beautiful. And share. This is so natural drinks, no side effect, very good for health. Unknownly it's good for, whatever sickness, other sickness. It's good for stomach. So nice, so tasty. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Okay, my friends, I will see you next time with other videos. We have to keep share like this, whatever good things, natural things. So bye for now. Thank you, bye.